Hello friends, in this video tutorial we will discuss about this keyword in Java. There can be a lot of usage of this keyword in Java. This is a reference variable and in this video lecture we will discuss that this refers current class instance variable with the practical demonstration. Here I am using the Eclipse as a IDE and first of all I have to click on the file and then new, take a Java project. A dialog box will display here and here we need to write my project name and simply I am giving a project name as this demo and click on the next. And then finish. My project is displayed under Package Explorer and I have to explore my project this time and then right click on SRC. Pop-up menu will display and click on the new and take a class employee. Here we need to write my class name and write my class name as employee. Check the public static void main method stubs and then click on the finish. My class successfully created here and press enter and simply I am going to declare a variable emp id and string emp name and string emp city. I am declaring here the three variables emp id, emp name and emp city and then I am going to create a method public void get data and passing here three arguments emp id, string emp name and string emp city, opening and closing brace. Within the body of get data method I am write here emp id equal emp id, emp name equal emp name and emp city equal emp city and terminate with semicolon. Look here, I am passing here the emp id equal emp id, emp name into emp name and emp city into emp city. There is a problem. Problem is that the compiler confuse. It's denote the or specify the local variable or parameter variable here and they cannot differentiate the instance variable and local variable. It's only understand the local variable within this method. Okay, and then press enter. Public void. I am going to create a show data method that will display the value of emp id, emp name and emp city. System.out.println and okay, and terminated with semicolon and here I write emp id plus and then providing here the space and then emp name plus then providing here space and then emp city. Okay, look here, The show-data method simply print the values of EMP ID, EMP name and EMP city onto the screen. Okay. But you will try to understand that the EMP ID, that is the instance variable, and these are the parameters of the get data, local for get data method. So the instance variable you are calling here EMP ID, EMP name and EMP city, and when you creating the object of the imply class, then the default constructor will provide the default values to EMP ID, EMP name and EMP city. So the value of EMP ID is 0 and EMP name null, and EMP city is null. And we have to come inside the main method, and here I am creating object of the imply class, EMP new employee, and calling here the method EMP dot get data, and passing here the value as a 1, EMP name as a Ram, and EMP city as a Delhi. Okay, and with the help of EMP object, we calling here the show data method and save it. Look, in this program I am not using anywhere this keyword. First of all, I have to save this program and run before using this keyword, to understand clearly the difference without using this keyword and using this keyword. And run as Java application. Okay, the output will display here 0, null and null. Okay, what is the problem? Problem is here in the get data, because the value of local variable EMP ID not assigned to the instance variable EMP ID, and the value of EMP name into the instance variable EMP name, and the value of EMP city into the EMP city instance variable. So if you want to assign these value into the instance variable, then you need to use here this and with the dot operator and call here the EMP ID. Okay, and simply copy and paste and paste. Okay, the EMP ID and the argument ID both are same, so the compiler unable to differentiate. On that case, you will use this keyword for denoting or specifying the instance variable. Using this dot EMP ID denote the instance variable EMP ID. This dot EMP name denote the instance variable EMP name, and this dot EMP city specify the EMP city instance variable. And these are the parameter variables: EMP ID, EMP name and EMP city. So compiler, don't confuse here if we are using this keyword. If the name are same, if you write name are different, so on that case you don't need to use this. This is used when the parameter name and the instance variable name both are same. And I have to save the program and again run it. Java application. The output is 1 RAM and Delhi, because when you calling the get data, one assign into the EMP ID, EMP name as a RAM and EMP city as a Delhi. This value assign into the instance variable EMP ID 1, EMP name RAM and EMP city Delhi, and with the help of show data method we will print the value of EMP ID instance variable, EMP name instance variable and EMP city instance variable value onto the screen. Okay, you use only this keyword when the instance variable name and parameter variable, both name of both variable are same. If they are different, you don't have need to use this keyword. You can directly write here, suppose that I'm write here the ID. On that case you don't need to use this keyword, because compiler clearly understood. EMP ID instance variable and ID is the parameter. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. In my next lecture we will discuss the other features of this keyword. Thank you friends.